Getting in and out of your Jeep Gladiator can be a challenge, especially if it is lifted. A good set of running boards provides easier access, adds a stylish touch, and even protects your vehicle from road debris. In this video, we will review the best running boards available for the Jeep Gladiator, analyzing their design, durability, and ease of installation. Whether you prioritize strength, aesthetics, or convenience, we have options that fit your needs. Check out the links to each product in the description below for more details and the latest prices. Starting with the TAC Arrow side steps, these running boards are designed for Jeep Gladiator models from 2020 to 24. They are made from aviation-grade aluminum, ensuring a lightweight build while supporting up to 500 pounds per side. The 5-inch wide UV-resistant step pad features an anti-skid pattern, making entry and exit safer, even in wet conditions. The fine textured powder coating enhances rust resistance, making these steps a long-lasting addition to your Jeep. Installation is simple with a bolt-on setup and included mounting hardware. Plus, TAC offers a 5-year warranty against manufacturing defects for peace of mind. Next, we have the Tyger Auto LanderX running boards. Unlike classic drop steps, these feature a triangular carbon steel tubing design that provides both style and durability. The 5-inch drop ensures easy access, which is especially useful for lifted Jeep Gladiators. Built with heavy-duty carbon steel and coated with a dual-stage E-coating, they offer enhanced rust and corrosion resistance. Supporting up to 500 pounds, these boards are sturdy and reliable. Installation is quick, taking about 20 minutes with a simple bolt-on method. Tyger Auto backs this product with a 5-year warranty for US customers, ensuring long-term satisfaction. The Rough Country Power running boards take convenience to the next level. These 6-inch aluminum electric running boards deploy automatically when the door is opened and retract when closed. Designed for all-season use, they include integrated LED lighting for better visibility at night. The anti-slip surface provides a secure step, even in icy conditions, while the automatic Safe Stop feature prevents accidents by stopping deployment if an obstruction is detected. With a weight capacity of 60 pounds per side, these running boards are built for strength and durability. The no-drill installation makes setup ease, and Rough Country includes a 5-year warranty for added confidence. The RealTruck Nerf steps offer a stylish and functional solution for your Jeep Gladiator. They fit snugly against the body, available in both premium textured black and gloss black finishes. Built with a fully welded one-piece construction, these steps provide excellent durability and strength. The patented drop-down hoop steps at each door, with dimpled step plates, ensure a secure grip in all weather conditions. Installation is simple with vehicle-specific instructions and included hardware, backed by a 5-year finish warranty and a limited lifetime workmanship warranty. RealTruck Nerf steps provide reliability you can count on. Finally, we have the Tyger Auto Star Armor running boards, designed for off-road enthusiasts. Featuring a dual girder system, these steps provide maximum wheel-to-wheel protection, shielding the rocker panel from impacts. Constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel with a 2-inch diameter and 0.120-inch wall thickness, they support up to 500 pounds per side. The tri-tube structure adds durability, while the dual-stage powder-coated finish enhances corrosion resistance. Installation is straightforward with a no-drill bolt-on design. Tyger Auto offers a limited lifetime warranty for US customers, making this a solid investment for off-road performance. Choosing the right running boards depends on your priorities. If you want automatic retractable steps, the Rough Country Power running boards are an excellent choice. For off-road protection, the Tyger Auto Star Armor provides extra durability. If you prefer a stylish yet functional option, the RealTruck Nerf steps or the Tyger Auto LanderX are great picks. The TAC Arrow side steps offer a lightweight and budget-friendly alternative. Check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Jeep accessory reviews.